Tired of Gamma presentations that won't leave the app? Here's exactly how to export them to PowerPoint in under a minute. We'll click through the export menu, download the file, and open it in PowerPoint. 3 simple steps. So you've spent all this time making a gorgeous presentation in Gamma. The layouts look amazing, the images are perfect, and everything flows just right. But then you realize you need to send this to a colleague who only uses PowerPoint. Or maybe you want to edit it offline without an internet connection. And that's when you hit the wall. Gamma is great for creating, but getting your work out can feel impossible. Well, I've done this exact workflow more times than I can count, and I can promise you it's way easier than it looks. Let's start by opening your Gamma presentation. Find that project you want to export. Now, look up in the top right corner of your screen. See those 3 little dots? It's a standard menu button, kind of like what you'd see in any other app. Go ahead and click that. This is where all the behind-the-scenes options live, including the one we need. You might have clicked around in Gamma before and never noticed this menu, but trust me, it's the gateway to getting your slides out. From that menu, you're going to see a list of options. Some of them are for sharing, some for settings. But the one we want is right there. Look for Export with 3 dots after it. Just click on Export. This is Gamma's way of saying, okay, what format do you want your presentation in? And here's the really important part. Gamma gives you a few choices here, but we're only interested in one specific option. In the Export submenu, you'll see a few different file types you can download. There might be PDF, there might be some other formats, but look for the one that says Export to PowerPoint. It should have a little PowerPoint icon next to it. Click that. Now, Gamma is going to start processing your presentation. This might take a moment, especially if your slides have a lot of images or complex layouts. Just let it do its thing. Don't click away or refresh the page. The app is converting all those beautiful Gamma elements into a standard PowerPoint file that any version of PowerPoint can read. Once the processing is done, your browser will automatically start downloading the file. You'll see it appear in the bottom left corner of your screen if you're using Chrome, or in your Downloads folder if you're on a Mac. The file name will probably be something similar to your original Gamma presentation title. Go ahead and click that downloaded file. When you click it, your computer will know exactly what to do. It will open up PowerPoint automatically, assuming you have it installed. If you don't have PowerPoint, no worries, you can also upload this file to Google Slides or use PowerPoint online for free. But for most of us, it will launch right into the desktop app. And there it is, your Gamma presentation, now living as a real editable PowerPoint deck. Now you can review the slides and make any necessary edits. Keep in mind that some of the fancier Gamma design elements might shift around a little bit. That's totally normal. Think of it like translating a book from one language to another. The core content is all there, but some of the formatting might need a quick touch-up. Go through each slide, adjust any text that got moved, resize any images that need it, and make the whole thing look polished. This is your chance to customize it further if you want. Finally, save your PowerPoint file by hitting Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac. Give it a name you'll remember and pick where you want to store it. Now you can share it with anyone, just like a normal PowerPoint file. Email it, upload it to your company's shared drive, or put it on a USB stick. It's completely portable. And that's really all there is to it. From being stuck inside Gamma to having a fully functional PowerPoint file ready to go. I've used this method dozens of times for client presentations and team meetings, and it saves me so much headache. Give it a try with one of your own presentations. I think you'll be surprised at how smooth and painless the whole process really is. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!